Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to your number one self-tutor video tutorial. I'm your anchorman again, Manuel. Today we are learning how to create a Gmail account. How you can create a Gmail account. We have different email platforms. We have the one for Yahoo, that's Yahoo Mail. We have the one for Microsoft, that's Outlook.com or Live.com and so on. But the one we are learning today is a Gmail account. Gmail account is a Google product which you can also use to access other Google products as well. Other Google products like Google Drive, blogspot.com or blogger.com, Google Photos, and so on. To have a Gmail account is free. That is, you don't pay any money to create and to use your Gmail account. What you just need is to have your internet connection to access the Gmail website or the Gmail app, and also you also need to have your phone or your computer, and also you need to know the URL, the web address of Gmail website. Okay, the URL of Gmail website where we are going is gmail.com. Gmail.com. You can decide to start with www.gmail.com or https colon double forward slash gmail.com. Gmail, you can spell Gmail as gmail.com. Com is com. So type that into your address bar of your browser as I've done mine. So once you type it and you just click on your enter key on your keyboard, it takes you to this page where we are now. If you have a Gmail account before, you can type in your Gmail account here where it has enter your email. Once you click next, it will take you to where to type your password. But since we are creating a new account, we just need to move down a little, then you see create account. So just click on create account. It takes us to the page where we need to fill in the details to create our Gmail account. Okay, to do this we need to supply some details or parameters into the form Gmail is giving us. Okay, the first thing is to supply our name, and under the name we have a first name and we have last name. The name you are supplying should go with what you are creating your Gmail account for. For example, if you are creating a Gmail account which is an email account for yourself, so you put in your first name. First name is the name that you are being called, and last name is your surname, your father's name. But for example, let's say you are creating the Gmail account for a company, that means you use the company's name. Or let's say it is for a website, that means you put in the website's name there. So let it goes with the purpose of creating your Gmail account. So the one I'm doing for this tutorial is for tutorial sake. So I'll put, let's call this tutorial video tutorial. Let's say okay, let's just give the name as video, then last name tutorial. I hope that's okay. Then the next thing is to create our username. Our username is the email we'll be using, for e.g. example at gmail.com. But here you are not adding a Gmail. You see that Gmail has already been added. Just type in your own name. Now we have our name to be video tutorial. Okay, so let's coin the two names together. Let's put our username to be video tutorial. Video, yes, tutorial. Let's try to put okay, let's say video tutorial. I'm just looking at the name that would not have been taken, because it's possible the name we are using probably might have been taken by another user. So I'm just trying to see a name that probably is still available. So let's put a video tutorial 2016, video tutorial 2016 at gmail.com. Okay, let's believe that's not been taken. It has been taken. The system, the Gmail system will tell us it has been taken. Then it will give us suggestions, or we type in another one. So let's go to the next one. The next one is to create a password. Creating a password according to the instruction given us is that the password must not be less than 8 characters. That is, the password you type must be more than 8 characters. It can be 8 characters, it can be more, but cannot be lesser than 8 characters. Are we together? So now let me type in my password. Yes, it cannot be less than 8 characters, I mean. So it's telling us that the password strength is strong. So for your password strength to be strong, you need to combine letters and numbers together in your password. If you use only letter or letters, it will not be strong. If you use only letters, it will not be strong. So, and you need a stronger password. So combine numbers and letters, and even if possible, use uppercase letters or letter in your password. But one thing you should not do is don't use a password you will not remember. Use a password that you can be able to remember anytime needed. Anytime needed. Okay. The next thing is to confirm our password. What we've typed in this create a password field, we need to confirm it in our second field. So we type what we typed in the first field, in the create password field, into our um, confirm password field. So the next thing is to have our birthday. So this tutorial is created today, November, and this day the 15th of November. But the year, to put in the year, you need to put a year that's when you calculate the age is more than 18 years. So let's put 1990s. So if you are creating for yourself, you put your normal age there. But if you are creating for a company, so you need to put a date, a year, that when you calculate is more than 18 years. Okay, the gender, yes, I'm a male. Then the phone number, we also need to add a phone number here, and you may decide not to add the phone number and add it later. Then you also have your create. You can either choose to add. The purpose of the phone number is that's what Google will use to verify your account, because they will still need to verify. But if you don't put it here, at the other page you can put it there. So I'm not putting it here now. Then also we have your current email address. The current email address is telling us to put another email, an existing email address here. Let's say now you have Yahoo Mail before, or any email address or Gmail address, you can put it here. It will serve as your recovery email address. Let's say now something you have a problem, you can't remember your password again, and you need to recover your password. So Gmail will send the recovery link to this particular password email you are putting here. Or let's say now somebody logs into this Gmail account. Probably somebody has stolen this Gmail account. Gmail will send a message to this email you type here that somebody has hijacked your account, or somebody is trying to hijack your account, so that you can be able to quickly act. Now, which type of email should you put here? It's good if you have another email that you put here. But if you don't have one, probably you use somebody close to you, maybe your spouse or whatever. But it's good to use email that will be able to access an email of somebody that you trust, which is not yours. Like I said, it is good you put yours. So we are leaving the two fields for now. We may be putting it there later, but let's leave it for now. But if you want to, you can put it now. Put a phone number here, and also put an existing email address here. Okay, the next thing is your location. I'm doing this tutorial from Nigeria, so today. So the location is Nigeria. If you are not from Nigeria, just click this button. You can be able to select. You can scroll down and pick which country you are using it from. Different countries are there. So let me pick Nigeria. Then after that, just click next. Okay, it's telling us to agree to private terms. So you need to read it and go through, so you'll be able to know the rules and regulations. Binding the account we are creating. So once you've read it and you understood and you are able to abide with it, you click on I agree. If no, you click on cancel. So on which terminated rating. Okay, it said that username is taken. Try another. So that means the username has been taken. To try another one. So let's see which one we like here. Don't like any of them. Let me see. Let me give my hand to this is November. Let me see video tutorial 1 1. Yes, because it's November. So let me retype the password again. Let me also confirm my password. Confirm the password. So let's go down to go to next. So let's see if that email is available. So we need to confirm. We need to confirm again that we agree to the rule and regulation. Oh God, saying it's not available again. What should we do now? Okay, let me add my video tutorial. Let me change to 2016 again, because I would love something that I'll be able to remember. My video tutorial 2016. Okay, any username you choose, you must be able to remember your username. You must be able to remember the username you've chosen. Like my video tutorial 2016 at gmail.com, I must be able to remember it anytime. Because if you don't remember it, how do you log into your access your Gmail account? You may not be able to. Okay, so that means we are taking us to the second page. So like I said, let's now we type the phone number at the other page. We don't need to type it here again. But because we did not, so we need to type the phone number here again. So let me look for a phone number that we can use. That would be good for. Let me look for a phone number. Let me put a phone number there. Coming. Okay. Any phone number you are putting here must be a phone number that you can get access to at this particular time, because a code will be sent to the phone number by Google, which you need to use to confirm your verify your account. So I've typed in the phone number now. Okay, how should we send you the code? Is it by text message or by voice? Text messages, they will send it as normal SMS. Voices, they will call to your phone. But it's good you have a text message, because if they call and probably you couldn't take what the machine is saying at that particular time, you have to send it again. But once it is text message, you can keep checking and keep checking it all. So let's click on text message SMS and click on continue. So the code has been sent. Let me check. It gets to the phone. I'm still looking at the phone to see if any code has been sent. It has not yet delivered. Let's still wait. It has not yet delivered to the phone. Let's wait. Probably there is an error while typing. At times it takes some minutes to arrive to your phone. Okay, let me just chip in this, that when you have a Gmail account, you can use one single Gmail account to access all Google products that you want to use. We have Google products like Google Drive. It's a cloud storage where you can store your files, your documents, so that if anything happens to your system or your hard drive or your phone, you can always get your pictures, you can always get your files. I've seen people using their pictures and they are mad at it, looking for any means, any amount to be spent to be able to retrieve their pictures, and some they could not. So it is a platform, it is free. Google Drive is free. Once you have a Gmail account and you log into your Gmail account, you can be able to access Google Drive. And once you access the Google Drive, you can be able to save your documents inside. Okay, let me tell you to try it again. I can't get the text message and it's taking time. So let me see where the problem lies. Maybe I've mistakenly typed the number. Let me check. Let me check if I mistakenly typed the number. I'm coming. Number is correct. What's happening? Number is correct. Number is correct. What's happening? Let me ask you to send it again. Let's see. Possibly be a network problem. If it doesn't send it down, probably I'll change the phone number and put another number there. Let's wait. Doesn't take just take like 2 seconds or so. So I think probably be network problem. So let me try another phone number. Let me try another phone number. Let me click on try again. So if you are not seeing the message, you click on try again. So try again will take you back to where to input the phone number. Okay, so let me put another one. Let's see if it allows the number. It's going. So let's try this one. Let's see if it goes. If it doesn't flag any error. Okay, it allows. Let's see. See, expecting the text message on the second number again. Still checking the phone. The text message has not arrived. So I think something is happening to Google system this afternoon, because most of the time it just take some seconds to deliver the text code. It's just a short code of like some characters that's not yet delivered. Code is still not yet delivered. Okay, saying out that sometimes it takes up to 15 minutes. Wow, so we'll be able to wait to that, so that this tutorial will not take too long time or space. So once you type in your verification code here, that's just what it means. So once you type in your verification code, just click continue, and once you click continue, to take you to your Gmail box. So when it takes you to your Gmail box, to tell you to go through some things, whether to check the features of a Gmail account. So you can go through and can skip it. So once you skip it or you go through it, after going through, you just need to, after you've gone through it, the only thing you need to do is just exit at the end of the day. So once you exit it, I'm still trying to look for the message, that's why. So once you exit, you get to your email box, and in your email box you can start composing message immediately. You can start composing a message or messages immediately, and you can also be receiving messages into your email box. So you can give your email address to people. Okay, I've also created my email. You can send email to me on this email address, and so on. And also you can send your email to me, your tutor, just sending a message and tell me, I've just created my email through your tutorial. Our tutorial we are using is what? Is my video tutorial. Yes. So the email you just created, that's where you send it to. Or possibly you don't use that one, you can send it to our company email. You can send it to tobita@gmail.com. Let me just type it here. Tobita Limited. I'm typing it so that you'll be able to see. Tobita. Yeah, it has been coded to take the number of characters to be sent. Okay, let me open a notepad and type it inside the notepad. Tobita Limited at gmail.com. So if you created your Gmail through this tutorial, just send us a message on our company email address, tobitalimitted@gmail.com, that I've used your video tutorial to create my Gmail account. We like to get from you. So we have loved to proceed to the mailbox itself, but Gmail system is delaying the message. And if you are to leave the tutorial on like that, it will take, imagine they send it in the next 15 minutes, so that means there will be vacuum in the tutorial, so I don't want that to be. So but from where we've gotten to, you I'm telling you, you've already created the email account. So once you type in your code here, it will take you to your box. Thank you. We see at the other tutorial. And if you have a question, feel free to ask your question.